Hello everyone, welcome to Swati and MKT Vlogs. So now it's evening time. We are here to do work, and it's around 5:30, I guess. So we came for walk here,
At our terrace.
on terrace. It's so calm, nice.
Today is also the 50 days of our marriage. We have completed almost 50 days of our marriage. From last 50 days, I know we have not uploaded any daily routine video or any video on our channel other than our trip, a honeymoon trip, or one or two other videos. We were a lot busy. I think all of you don't know, but I also work in IT company. Even Swati works for IT company. We are really not getting time to make videos, but definitely just a starting. We'll definitely make it. Today is also Makar Sankranti in India. I guess many people are aware of it. What is Makar Sankranti? It's one of the festival in India, celebrated all over the India. In some people say it Makar Sankranti, and some people say know it with some other name like Pongal or some other name. We got 3 days of holiday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. That's the reason we are free and able to make a video.
All these days were busy. And
Really busy, waking up at 7 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock morning, and getting ready, starting work from home, doing office work. She is more busier than me. She is taking care of house too. So that's the reason we are able to make a video today. Frankly speaking, getting these 3 days of holiday is really making happy to me because 3 days of holidays is really happier.
long weekend.
It's not Saturday and Sunday, just 2 days it will go off. You will get additional day off Friday, which is a good point. And so today also we have completed almost 50 days of marriage. Anna? Yeah.
See the view? It's so nice.
Yeah.
Yes, show the
This
view.
is my terrace. I want to show you how the view looks like outside my house. Have a look. We have decided to walk almost 3,000 steps today. I know it's less. But we don't walk much. For every reason, we take our car out or bike out. We travel in that. We don't
Now
have habit
Corona
of.
also, so we are not going out.
Yeah, for few days we went outside with our brother and sister-in-law for a walk outside. But Corona at its peak, so avoiding going for a walk outside. So I've decided to walk at least 3,000 steps. Covered almost 1,000 steps, another 2,000 to go. So what do you have to say about our marriage being completed 50 days? Say something. What's positive,
It's a
what
happy
negative?
moment.
What extra you got to know about me, which you were not knowing before marriage and got to know after marriage?
This
In
is-
these 50 days.
This will be your always question.
Okay.
Every time you'll be asking the same question. Before marriage also you used to ask, and now also you are asking.
No, in these 50 days, what extra you have observed in me, which you didn't observe before marriage? So those of you who don't know,
Lazy.
those of you who don't know,
Like always.
those of you who don't know, let me complete. We have completed almost. I mean, we know each other. Before marriage, also we were knowing each other from last 4 years and 8 months almost. 4 years and 7 months, 6 months like that. Yeah. So yeah, now tell me, what is something that you were not knowing before marriage but got to know after marriage?
Yeah. I now will be sleeping for a long time.
Really?
Yes.
I will be sleeping. Man, I'm a hard-working person. Don't tell like that. What my?
Will be sleeping. How much ever we can wake up, you won't wake up.
That's
I'll
not
be
true.
telling. That is one of the laziness.
That's not true.
I don't like it.
So you feel I'm lazy? Oh my God.
Yeah, sleeping.
So I'll sleep more.
I'll
More.
wake up at around 10:30 and all.
Really? So who wakes up at 7 o'clock and take class at 7:30?
No, that's it. Then again you'll be like, I'm so tired.
Okay. Shall I tell? Oh, yeah, sometime.
Lazy or something.
Okay.
Always. In sleepy.
So in this 50 days, I got to know about her that she is more lazier than me.
This is not fair. I
No,
don't
really,
know.
really.
I'll wake up at 7 o'clock.
No.
At least 7 o'clock. Sometimes 6:30.
Though she wakes up at 7 o'clock for the family, but she will wake up around 10 o'clock night for me, because that's the only time I get to see her. She won't be with me. She won't be with me. She won't be with me at all. And the only time I get to see her nowadays is in the night only. Because the moment she wake up, she will be having a lot of work.
Means you have to see that how much he'll be sleeping.
No. I will be able to see her in the night only because of her busy routine. How much ever I am busy, I will come up with some time and spend with her. But how much ever busy or free she is, she won't come with me to talk with me. If she is getting time, she will sleep in the office hours also. That's the point I got to know about her after marriage.
No.
And
How can I say? My office work is not like
she's really lazy,
Okay.
frankly speaking.
this is very
And one more
bad.
thing I got to know about her after marriage is
Okay, so same question I'll be asking you. What is the change you have observed after marriage?
in you.
Yes.
Okay, the biggest change that I have observed in her after marriage, I got to know that she is more. What to say, lazier than me. She is
This
lazy.
is don't
She is lazy.
copycat.
She is lazy, frankly speaking. Okay, coming back to the second point. I can see little change in her behavior after marriage. Like before marriage, if I gift her one small chocolate, also she used to be like, "Ah, you brought chocolate for me." But nowadays, if I gift her some gold stuff, also she won't react much. She'll be like, "Oh, this is fine. Oh, this is normal," right? She'll behave like this is very normal. So that really astonished me, the change in her behavior. Whatever I do for her, she will show that, oh, this is nothing. So that is really shocking. But yeah, that's fine.
Change.
Tell me what extra change you have observed in me after marriage of 50 days.
The main thing here is, I should tell you, before marriage I used to be on call or text or message, but I was not seeing his daily routine, what he will be doing. If I asked, did you have your breakfast? Yes, I had. But yeah, and did you brush your teeth, your morning routines, he used to tell, yeah, mine is done, but he takes half an hour for everything, for brushing teeth, half an hour, washing face, half an hour, which is making me to go pissed off. Half an hour for every, and yeah, if we go enter washroom, we take 1 hour.
Not true. Not true.
It is true. I'll be waiting for him to have breakfast. My breakfast before marriage, it was like at 9 o'clock. Because of him, my breakfast is like at 11 o'clock. It will touch
Guys,
to 12
I
o'clock.
brush almost 10 minutes a day. Not exactly 10 minutes, but 8 or 9 minutes.
No
She's
way.
lying that half an hour.
Way.
Who to brush for half an hour?
He does
I just have
that.
32 and that too very small. Look at this. It's very small.
He do it. This
If
is
I
prank,
clean one
guys.
teeth individually also, na, it
This
won't
is
take
by
half an hour.
ST by MKT ka real face.
No. This is not true.
I'm seeing.
I don't brush half an hour a day. I just brush 8 minutes a day. I
way.
brush twice a day, so 8
We
plus 8,
enter
60 minutes a
washroom.
day.
I'll come in 10 minutes. I'll be coming in 5 minutes. But that 5 minutes go to 15 minutes.
Bath also I complete in just 5 minutes. She's lying.
Very annoying it is.
She won't talk about her that she if she go to washroom, she will take 1 hour to come out. She won't talk
Not
about
1
her.
hour.
Okay. Any other
We
change in
want
me?
something.
Any other change in me?
That's it. No other.
In 50 days, no other change. Oh, one more thing I got to know about her after marriage. That more than being in home, she likes to travel. She likes to travel. And the main reason I got to know now. Before I thought that traveling is one of her hobbies she likes. But now I got to know why she likes traveling. Because while traveling, she don't have to cook food. But when she's in home, she have to cook food. And she don't like cooking food. that thing I got to know about. Every time she make food, she will be getting angry. Some or the other way, she will try to show me that I am angry because I am cooking food. So that's the biggest thing I got to know about her.
No, before marriage I was not entering kitchen. My mother used to come and like she used to give me take milk. She used to keep and I'll be working. I'll always be sitting in front of laptop or mobile. Nowadays I'm not touching mobile or laptop. I'm not seeing Instagram also.
I have another question for you. Tell me, what changes you have seen in your life after marriage?
Like you're telling about
Yeah.
myself.
Yeah.
Okay, myself, yeah. As I told you, I was sitting in front of laptop, mobile. I was addicted to mobile and laptop more. I used to text him each and every second.
You were only using mobile and laptop before marriage.
Before marriage, I was using lot of mobile, laptop, and I was free because someone was there to take care of me. My mom, she used to come and give me food, milk, something. But I was not getting down. I was like, oh yeah. And nowadays, I'm not using much mobile, laptop, sitting in front of laptop or mobile, not watching much movies or series. No time. No time.
Earlier, her reason of using mobile was only me, but now you have me in front of you. Then why you will use mobile?
That is true, but at least I will be watching some Instagram post and YouTube, some videos and all. Now I'm not touching mobile. You can see that a minute also I'm not touching mobile. When I get calls, I'll be on call. That's it. Apart from that, I'm not using much. Really, it went down. Pura down.
Yeah, I can see this change in her, frankly speaking. Before marriage, 24/7, anytime if I call her, she was on her phone. I mean, she'll pick the call and talk with me. But nowadays, she's not touching her phone. And what about me?
Me, the opposite, dead opposite. What I told that I'm not using mobile laptop, he will be like 24/7, he'll be using it.
Tell them, does my work allow me to not use mobile?
Nothing like that, but before also, like 1 month you don't have any online classes or any work, right? That time also you used to sit with mobile. I can
Guys,
see.
my work is like that, which does not allow me to don't use mobile.
Even there is no work. This is false. False.
I
statement.
get lot of mails which I have to reply. If I don't reply, it will go as a negative feedback about my channel. Software testing video I'm talking about.
I can understand that you have to reply before, like in month of December and all. He was not having any classes, online classes or anything. Then also he was sitting.
So one more change that came to my mind. Before marriage, she was helping a lot to my channel Software Testing PT. But after marriage, she is not touching it. You have any comments for that?
I told her I don't.
Oh, she's
have
not getting time for this because of homework. Got it.
Not a single 5 minutes also. I'm telling her I'm not able to touch my mobile.
Yeah. So 50 days of marriage is done. Is done. Is done. We got to know a lot of things about each other. Pretty happier first 50 days of marriage. That's all about this video. Thank you so much, guys. See you in another vlog. Thank you.
Happy day. Bye bye.